How to turn off Snapchat location sharing. Well, if you want to turn off location on Snapchat, you can either turn off the location permission for the entire application or you can enable ghost mode. So open up Snapchat. If you have given permission, then you want to head over to the profile, then head into the now from the tab, right? Once you're on the tab, you want to head over to the map icon there. Once you head to the map tab on the settings icon towards the top right, and you can enable ghost mode from here. So you can also, if you have disabled ghost mode, you can choose who can see your location from there as well. Now the other option is you can turn off the entire permission. If you're using Android or iOS, if you're using Android, head into settings, then into apps. On iOS as well, if you head into apps and then find the Snapchat as well, then under the Snapchat, you'll find the location option. You can choose when to allow location access or you can set it to neighbor. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.